What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and an all new video. I am so unbelievably pumped to finally have this video out there reaching all of your screens. I've been working on it for quite a little bit now. I'm just very excited to finally be releasing it. Today we are talking about the latest drop from the Lockharts. I recently went back up to Michigan to visit Steve and Nicole and their adorable little baby girl. And out of that trip, I actually got 3 total videos made. So this is just one of those 3 videos, and it's of course covering the new Paradox Pomade. Now, Steve was gracious enough to invite me back into the lab to watch him actually prepare this new product and film it, of course, so that all of you guys could get a proper introduction to this new product. Now, this is going to be a review too, so I'm kind of combining 2 segments, Behind the Brew and my standard product review, and I did actually think about doing 2 separate videos, but I figured, why the hell not? Let's just combine the 2, have a little fun with it. But before we jump into that, I do need to give my little disclaimer since we are going to be viewing some brewing footage in this video. This video is not meant to be a tutorial on how to make hair product. Any questions at all that pertain to the actual process of brewing will be cast aside and not answered. So, long story short, you can ask questions if you want to, but they won't be answered, so you might as well not even ask at all. But with that, I will say I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my brew review. Yep, brew review. You like that? I sure do. This is my brew review of Paradox. Here we go. All right, now that the product is pretty much made and into the jars now, I think we should start our review by talking about what exactly this product is. You see, I had a very different vision of what Paradox was, and I'm not totally sure what really made me think that now that I think about it, but I was wrong nonetheless when I stepped into the lab and saw what you guys just saw. So really, if it's not what I thought, and maybe it's not what some of you thought, what exactly is this product then? Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Let me go ahead and step on out so you guys can get a look. Yeah. This, in layman's terms, is a new take on the classic orthodox water-based pomade, but really just saying that doesn't fully do it justice. Based on the standard specs that we're used to here, what we have is a firm hold, medium shine water-based pomade that is fantastically nourishing for the hair. The scent we're rolling with is a smooth aqua dagoon scent, and speaking again of those ingredients, what we have here is a set of ingredients that are both similar to other products that we've seen from the Lockharts, products that are in no way related to gel type pomades, I might add. And we also see that this set of ingredients doesn't actually have some ingredients that we actually see within a lot of other gel types on the market today. Hence the paradox. So really what we have here is kind of an unorthodox orthodox pomade, and I gotta admit I didn't fully understand this at first. When testing it out, I kind of just figured it for kind of a standard gel type, and really I don't want to mislead anyone or try to hype this product and tell you guys that it's not a gel type or that it doesn't work as one, because it definitely does. You can add this into damp hair like you would any of those other gel type or orthodox water-based pomades, and it will harden up as expected. But so will most products if you add them into damp hair. I keep trying to say this to people. I have no idea why you guys love to only use products in damp hair. Yes, again, it works, but for me, the style wasn't quite something I was fully happy with. You see here, while styling with the product in damp hair, it just seemed to make the hair want to just stick straight out for me instead of allowing it to mold and allow for some kind of shape. But then it hit me right in the face. This isn't a standard orthodox water-based pomade, so maybe it shouldn't be used as such. So I styled with it on dry hair. Yep, I'm styling with it on dry hair, and if you think about it, this makes perfect sense. This isn't made to be like a standard gel type, so it doesn't need to be used like one. For me, the benefits here of using this on dry hair outweigh damp hair styling by a ton. The first being the response I get in my hair, which goes from sticking straight out to pliable and responsive to the way I want to shape and mold it with my comb. In a nutshell, I get better control here, I get better volume hold, and ultimately a better style. Really, the results here on the dry hair styling versus the damp hair styling are night and day. I know I didn't show you guys a final style on damp, and that's because I didn't get one. For me, the damp hair styling just really didn't work, and I have no idea really why that is. It just didn't. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. But dry hair, now that's where it was at for me with this one, and it very much continued throughout the day. Let's take a look here at the endurance. We can see here at 4 hours in, the shine has settled a little bit, but the hold and the shape of the style is still rock steady, and surprisingly, it only hardened up a little bit, much less than I was expecting. And at 8 hours in, we can see that for the most part, this has not changed. We got a little movement there on the sides, but again, we're 8 hours in, and with a little finger combing, and notice we don't have to add any water here, we can get a quick reshape without any trouble. Now, lastly, there is one final feature here I have to mention, and that's the nourishing effect in the product. I've never seen a gel type do this the way this one does, but it makes your hair extremely nourished and soft after rinsing it out, and even makes your hands feel really soft after you just apply it to your hair. It just feels nice and soft and moisturized. That's really something that I've seen with a lot of unorthodox water-based products, but not something that would kind of be considered an orthodox or gel type. So that's something I really enjoyed about this product. That all being said, in the spirit of, again, being honest and just straight up with you guys, I already told you that I had trouble styling with it on damp hair. I'm not sure if that's just me or maybe my hair type, or, you know, really I haven't talked to anybody else that's used this, so I'm just giving you guys what I know from my experience. Also, I do have to say, I think heat does have an impact on this product as far as the hold and the strength and endurance goes. I did did wear it one day while in Arizona recently, and the thermostat in my car actually read 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It was just miserable hot outside, and in that heat, I had some melting going on with the product. But back here in Nebraska, where the temp was about 85, 87 on the testing days, it actually did much better, but I figured, again, in honesty, that was worth mentioning. As far as the scent and washout goes, again, I couldn't be happier. It just rinses right out with water and leaves your hair feeling very soft and nourished. It just feels great. The scent I thought was also really well done. I know you guys asked about this. It is the Aqua Dagoon scent. Steve confirmed that for me actually today. It is a great scent. I really like it. It smells fresh. It smells clean. I think it was a great choice for this product. Next, I'm sure you guys are wondering when this is going to be released. Well, I've been told that September 1st or around September 1st, Paradox will hit the Lockhart shop. I'm assuming for other places too, like Slikhaarshop, for example. If you guys don't know, you guys outside the US specifically, Slikhaarshop.com carries the entire Lockhart's line and a lot of others too, actually. And actually ordering from them for some countries actually saves you guys on shipping and fees. So keep that in mind. And also keep in mind, I have a discount code for this shop as well, and one for the Lockhart shop too. Those are linked in every video for you guys to help save you a little money. So make sure you check out those as well. If you do want to get your hands on a jar early, there is one way that I'm told you can do that, and that's through the Bespoke Post. They are a pretty cool looking brand. Actually, I've never heard of them prior to hearing about this, but I did look over their site and they've got multiple kinds of subscription boxes and a full store for men. It all looks pretty cool. I might check them out sometime in the future. They are going to be featuring Paradox inside one of their boxes, so that's pretty sweet. And I was told by doing that, you actually get the jar early before the Lockhart's drop date. So it's a little insider info for you. Lastly, too, overall, I do think this was a very cool product and another home run from the Lockharts. I think that they did a great job by trying to combine some of the aspects of the unorthodox water-based pomade and the orthodox. They kind of blended it together. I think it was a very cool idea, and you know, Steve really executed it very well in my opinion. And of course, I am interested in hearing what you guys think. So let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about this versus typical gel type pomades and how it relates to everything in the market. I'm very interested in your guys' opinion on this. And again, I'm just generally interested in hearing what you guys think. This is kind of a new step for products of this type, so I'm interested in seeing what you guys do with it and how you guys like it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop me a like. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for sticking with me on this long video. I know it was a little long, but there was a lot I needed to get into it and let you guys know about. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you really need to do that, because here I put this kind of effort into every single video I produce. So if you do want to see more, hit that subscribe button for me. And a big thank you once again for joining me here today. I really appreciate it. I will be back with you guys again very soon, so be on the lookout for that. But until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.